Taylor, you cannot have your fork back because you threw it. That's not okay.
You get a little bit trouble. Milk.
That's not a nice way to ask. You didn't say please. And you don't throw your fork.
I want milk. That's not my princess.
Not a polite princess.
I'm going to tell Ariel that I want milk. I'm going to tell Ariel and Prince Jerry that my sister is not listening.
Well, we have to teach her because she's little. We have to teach her the right way. What, Taylor?
I want goldfish.
Goldfish? What about your breakfast? How about your breakfast? You don't want your breakfast?
I want that.
No.
How about that?
You can have that.
Toad?
Yeah. You can eat it.
Oh, my ring.
Did it fall down?
Yeah. I go boom, Bobby, go. I farted. I chewed it. I farted.